Hi, I'm Adrienne Loukopoulos, an occupational therapist here at Freedom Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to go over the Codman's or pendulum exercises that you're typically given after shoulder surgery, such as a rotator cuff repair. So what you're going to do is you're going to let that arm slowly out of the sling. Remember, you're not actively moving it at all right now. So the first one you're going to do is I'll go on the side. You're going to bend over and you're going to let that arm hang down. You can hold on to a table or a chair for some support if you need to, and you're going to rock back and forth with your body. You're not moving your arm at all, your body is doing all of the work. You're going to do this for about 30 seconds, and then you can take a break, and you'll do it 3 to 5 times, a couple times a day. Then, stand back up. The next one you're going to do is you're going to do side to side. So again, you're going to let that arm hang down. You can hold on to a table or a chair if you need to, and you're going to go side to side with your body. Your arm is not doing any of the work. Your body is doing all of it. Again, 30 seconds, 3 to 5 times. The last one you're going to do is you want to go in a circular motion, and this is the hardest one for people to do. So you're going to bend over again. Let that arm hang down, and you're going to move your body in a circular motion. It's okay if it doesn't look like a perfect circle. It's just getting that arm moving. Again, 30 seconds, 3 to 5 times, a couple times a day.